You still work? Are you still alive? Good. Me too. Today, with the help of our sponsor, Zwilling, we're starting this new season of recipes with some easy to make and absolutely delicious cottage cheese cheesecake bars. So let's jump right into it. To make these, you'll want to start by preparing your crust. If you don't want a crust or want to lower the carbs in the recipe, you can skip this step. For your crust, all you need to do is to take out 6 full graham cracker sheets and crush them up like this. As you can see, I use a rolling pin. Next, melt 3 tablespoons of butter and mix that into your graham cracker crumbs. From here, take out an oven-safe dish or pan, optionally line it, and evenly distribute your crust mix into the bottom of it. Make sure to compact it into whatever you're using. Put that into the oven on 375 for around 12 to 15 minutes or until it starts to turn golden brown. While that's baking, add into a food processor or powerful blender half a cup of rolled oats, 2 large whole eggs, 2 scoops of a good tasting vanilla protein powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 ounces of a vanilla Greek yogurt, and 1.5 cups of cottage cheese. Remember to always think outside the box. Bored with vanilla? You can easily switch this recipe up by changing the flavors of your protein powder and Greek yogurt. Additionally, if you're not using a sweet enough protein powder, add in a little sweetener. Let me know your favorite cheesecake toppings in the comments below, and I'll give a couple of you one of these shakers. Process or blend those ingredients together until smooth. Pour and evenly distribute your cheesecake mix on top of your crust. You can top it with whatever you want. I went with some mini chocolate chips today. Put your soon-to-be cheesecake bars into the oven on 325 for around 30 to 35 minutes. Now that that's in the oven, we're gonna do some spring cleaning in the summer with some of these new Zwilling Fresh and Save vacuum storage containers. They come in multiple sizes, have these colored clip-on sleeves, convenient accessories, and use this tiny vacuum. The biggest and my main reason for using vacuum sealable containers is that it makes everything last longer. Which in turn saves me money. Outside of using these containers for ingredients, I also love using them for meal prep and these Fresh and Save bags for marinating. Another good use for these bags is to use them like this. Now the rest of the graham crackers won't go stale. If you want to check them out, I'm going to put a link in the description below. The cheesecake is done, which means we're on to the last step. Remove it from the oven, let it cool for a bit, and throw it in the fridge for a couple hours so it can develop a cheesecake-like texture. You'll know it's ready when it looks like this. Before I end this one, we obviously have to address the elephant in the room. I'm back. No, I didn't quit. I just shifted focus for a while on more behind the scenes stuff like the website and working with other brands privately, which you may have seen. Why? It's really tough to stand in front of the camera after suffering loss when you've never really gone through it before. Needless to say, I appreciate and love all of you who checked in on me. I never stopped responding to the comments. I'll do a more thorough video on this in the future. With that said, don't forget to check out our website, theproteinchef.co, which has conversions for every recipe, scaling, and more. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this recipe and want more like it. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe. We're almost to a 400,000 giveaway. Thank you to you all for still watching. Thank you to Zwilling for sponsoring this video. And of course, stay healthy.